Today I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on Snapchat without notifying, and this only works on Android, this specific method, because what we need to do is first of all head over to our Snapchat, and then once we have opened up Snapchat right here, as you can see I'm just on my main Snapchat page here. So what we want to do is we want to click on the three lines in the bottom left hand corner. Once we do this, we can scroll then over to our Snapchat, and then what we can do now is we can click on the Snapchat icon. Once we click on the Snapchat icon, it will say open in split screen view. So what we want to do is click on open in split screen view. And then what we want to do now is we want to open another app of your choice. It doesn't matter what app it is. So for example here, I will just click on YouTube. And then once we do this, what we need to do now is we just need to scroll it down a little bit and to make, Snapchat a little bit more full screen and a little bit bigger. So once we've made Snapchat a little bit bigger here, what we can do now is we can head over to the Snapchat story that we want to screenshot. We can then go ahead and screenshot this, but what this does when you are in split screen, it doesn't actually know what app that you are screenshotting, so they won't send the notification to the person that you've screenshotted. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.